Do you want to know how you can log into your Max Life mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account which is in your Max Life. So go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Max Life Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. If you click on the first link, it will take you to this page. Go ahead and click on the home icon and then go to customer login. It will take you to the official login portal of Max Life Mutual Fund account. If you want to click on the second link, it will take you directly to this page. Now, what you need to do to log into your account is log in by phone number or your email. If you want to log in using your phone number, go ahead and write down your phone number in this place. Write your date of birth, and after you write your date of birth, you can click continue. After that, an OTP code will be sent to your phone. You can validate it and then you can log in using your mobile number. To log in using your policy number or your email address, go ahead and click on one of these, write your policy number, date of birth, click continue. You will get an OTP just like before and then you can log in. To log in with email, click on email, write down your email address, write down your date of birth and then click continue. If your account is there, you can now log into your Max Life Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.